see here. Just doing a little bit of live streaming, guys, here. Just looking at some of these coronavirus stocks. Let's see. I'm just going through the list. Let me see if I can pop this up to see. Okay, so that's how we do that. Okay, that seems to be working. All right, let's see here. So, let's see DX. It's probably not going to be much talking because I'm just looking at patterns here. I've already gone through a few of them. These coronavirus stocks. And I found one so far. It has a pretty interesting name. It's a penny stock, though. It makes me kind of nervous. Let's see. It's CORV. 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 Let's see, what I'm looking at here is this gap, of course, right there. But don't do that. Okay. That's why I didn't want to let it go. Got this gap right here. And we got a little bit of an uptrend I'm looking at. And it's going to start to squeeze in it. So what I did, I just did this probably about 20 minutes ago. I set an alert. I'd like to see it break around the 48.58 cents. You can see I set it right here. It was 40.88. But I'm looking for it to break that for confirmation, and then I'm going to hop in it because we've got some resistance here, but this uptrend in that gap, I think this thing wants to go from what it looks like. That's why I'm just waiting on confirmation, though. This could just be a day trade, not even a swing trade. All right, let me keep on looking down the list here. So that was CORV. Don't like that it's a penny stock, but we'll see if it breaks that 48 area and alerts me. Then I might hop in this. Let's see what this one's doing. CHFS. CHFS. It's not doing much. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, this is a good price one. CBLI. I don't like where it's at right now. CBLI. It's at about $3.14 right now. I don't like where it's at. It looks kind of choppy. Let's see. I don't like that one for right now. Let's see this one penny stock here. Oops, wasn't even typing. BIOC. Looks kind of choppy as well. Trying to figure out where I want to put this trend line. Let's see. This looks pretty good right here. All right. Let's see. Where does this thing have support at? Is that where it just fell onto for support? Looks like it. Okay. It's a penny stock though. I think it's at 37 cents right now. But it's on support, and it did bounce off of it today. So, any news on this thing? This is BIOC if you can't see it. Any news? I don't see any news. CT, what are you talking about? Which one is this one? I'm on right now. Let's go back to it. Right now I'm on BIOC. And before that I was on CORV. I kind of like CORV. I had that for a break of 48.88. So I set an alert to have that broken. See recent. Here's that CORV that I was just talking about. I kind of like. It's a penny stock though. I'd like to see it break that 488 right there. That's what I'm looking for, and then get into it. But right now I'm just looking at these coronavirus stocks. I'm just trying to figure out, which one I like for a play here. So that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. Oops. This thing go up. All right. I'm just trying to figure out this live stream. I don't even know where my chat went. Let's see where to go. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me start looking through here, see what else we got. Okay, so this is the best one I've liked so far, but it's a penny stock. BPT. I really like BCRX though, and then it just failed. Let's see what this looks like now. It just failed really badly. It's bouncing off support. What are you bouncing off of? Looks like right there. It's going to be one. Just dumped right through that support right there. Busted right through it. See, I still like the stock over $4. So I got an alert still set here. Because it went up and then I sold it right here, right before it started dumping. Made a small little profit on it, but now I'm looking at $4 again. If you can get over that. Let's see here. Let's see, it still has that gap to fill. What did that bounce off of? I guess they're right there. Okay. Well, I think this might bounce back. This is BCRX. BCRX. And right now, it looks like it's at $2.59. I'd rather like to see it get over this resistance, though, for me to get it. Let's see here. Okay. It just fell underneath it today. My throat is so dry. So this might be a play to get over, say, $2.73 if it can hold that. But for the big move, I'd really like to see it get over $4. That's where I got in last time. But then the market pulled it all the way back down and just broke its run. Broke its soul, basically. But yeah, if we can get over this resistance and hold that, it could be pretty good. But I'd still like to see it break 4. So I'm going to keep that there. I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I'll just keep that there. Or maybe I could set an alert up here to this one, actually, 342. That'd be a better resistance to break. So this is BCRX. Let's see, I'm going to set an alert on this one to break 340. I might want to get in on that one. Oops. I'm just doing this on my phone, by the way. I could do it on the computer, but I'd rather do it on my phone. See, BCRX. Set the alert to break 340. And the stock's at $2.06, it looks like right now. Or 60 cents. So I'd like to see this break 340. So I just created that alert. That way I can get some eyes on it and see. I might hop in if it breaks 340. It might be a good play. What do I think about TTO? Let me see. I got a feeling I looked at this one on that list. I had it on that coronavirus list, I think. It sounds familiar. Okay. This is TTOO. TTOO. Let's see here. Broke that support level there. I would have liked to see it hold that support right there. Now it's going to try to fight to get over it. This is very bearish right now. It's under all of the trend lines. Broke the support. What's the next support? It's going to see here. Really? There's no more support in 10 years? See, it just made all-time lows. Ugh. I don't know. I don't like it. Let's tell you that. Look at all that red. A lot of volume in red. I don't like this at all. If anything, I'd like to see it get over the support. Get over the support here. And then consolidate. Right now, no. It just made all-time lows in 10 years. So that's what I think about TTO. Sorry, Jerry Smith. If you're looking to go long on it. Okay, let me go back to my coronavirus list here and see. Oh. I'm just looking through my coronavirus list here right now. Trying to find another setup. This is the one I was just looking at, TTO. Jerry Smith wanted me to look at it. I didn't like it at all because it just broke. Broke support. It's under every trend line. Just made all-time lows. I think that was today. I don't think so. Not for me. Okay. So we just looked at BCRX too. Added some stuff to that. So let me see, APT. Okay, I don't need to look at it. Oops. No, I don't want that. Let's go to, see here. I was looking at this today. I don't like it right now because that resistance rejected it pretty good. So I don't like this right now. I still have high hopes for the stock though, APT. They had a killer run there, just a killer run. They just need some news or something, and this stock would go good. But if you wanted to be a buyer on it, you could try. See, I was in this stock at $6. Yeah. So I think it was around $6. So I'd like to get it. If I was going to get in this stock, I'd like to get it in right around $6 again, but we'll see what happens. It's just going to keep going down unless they come out with some news, I think, or the coronavirus has some crazy news. I think it's just going to keep downtrending. Let me see here what else. Oops. So those APT, I don't like it as of right now. Let's see, what is this? What do you know about NOVN and HTBX? Never heard of them. Let me look and see. NOVN. Are these coronavirus stocks? Kind of looks like it has a pump up here and it's kind of dumping. This is a hardcore penny stock here. Let's see here. Did it catch that support? I think it's right there. So it looks like it just fell under support right now. Looks to be another good one right here. So this one, NOVN, just fell under support. I'd like to see it break this support here that is just broke and maybe consolidate. Or if this thing has some news, if it has some news, it'll make it run. Is this a coronavirus stock? Share? All right, Quentin, I'll get to yours. Let me get our other one real quick. HTBX. She's not answering my question if that was a coronavirus stock. See, what was that? HTBX. You got two penny stocks here back to back, huh? I guess a lot of people have dreams of making it rich in the penny stock world. Let's see, got support there. Well, if you're gonna buy it, this is a coronavirus stock, I'm guessing just by looking at it. If you're gonna buy it, I'd buy it around the support level here at about 62 cents or whatever. If I was gonna buy it, I wouldn't want to hold. You don't want to hold these stocks long. These stocks are very toxic. These coronavirus stocks, they're all going to go back. Once this virus goes away, they're all going to go back to where they were. So just remember that. Don't hold these very long. I only like to hold them for, if anything, a day or two. I really don't even like to hold them for a full day. Or not a full day, for a day and overnight. I don't really like to hold it, but sometimes I do. So, all right, let's take a look at, yeah, they are. Okay. Thanks, Cher. All right, Quentin, we're going to take a look at TVIX. Is this a coronavirus stock? Dust? Yeah, that's gold, right? Let's look at TVIX first. TVIX. All right. TVIX. Is this TV? Okay, so this is a $343 stock. We just went to like a 50-cent stock to a $300-something stock. We're all over the place. All right, well, let's see here. What do we got going on 10-year? What the fuck? What is TVIX? Okay. I know what you're talking about. Okay, I just had a brain fart there. Okay. Well, you're gonna have to watch The Spy, I guess, right? This I day trade. That's it. It's not something I'd want to hold. Yeah, it's a short position on The Spy. This would be something I'd want to day trade. Of course, the big moves always happen overnight, though. But you could be effed, and it could be red, could be green. So yeah, I would just day trade this. The Spy is like you don't know what's gonna happen each day either. It's like really volatile right now. All right, let's look at Dust. It's looking like I might start to have a double top unless it breaks it. I wouldn't want to buy this right now. Let's say. I'd like to see it get over this previous high right here, actually. Which is starting to. That might be a play for tomorrow, maybe. And if you can break this right here at about 833, this thing could probably go. Plus with the way everything is going right now, so Dust. This is like an ETF or something of gold or something like that. Am I right? Yeah, if it breaks that, yeah, we could see it go. But then you got to break that resistance at 8. Okay, let me see. Let me go back to this coronavirus stock list because these are the stocks that are really volatile right now. See, I just made a video on AIM. You remember? I did pretty good on this stock. I don't know if I looked at it today. See what is it? Well, I did look at it today, but let's see here. So this AIM did bounce off the support here at 388. AIM might be in for another play, actually. Yeah, you have to keep my eye on AIM. Let me see here. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. If I want to make an alert or what I want to do with where I want to put it at. Guess I'd like to see. Let me see here. Does this go back anymore? Oops, I was hitting the plus. Kind of looks like, let's see, right there. All right, let me see here. AIM, AIM. Guess I want to set an alert. Let's see here. Let me go to this one. Okay. AIM, AIM. Stayed in that channel pretty good today. And it broke out of it once. So I'm going to put it at, I'd like to see it break it actually. So I'm going to put an alert at 440. When AIM breaks that. Says it's at 420 right now. Oh no, that's what it closed at. It's at 412. It's at 412 right now. Closed at 420. So I'm going to create an alert for it to break 440. There it is. It just popped up. Okay. So I'm going to have my eye on AIM here if it breaks 440. And you can see a nice little run from it. Okay. Yeah, it's a reverse gold. It's, okay. Yeah, CODX had I think I had a good day today, CODX. If I remember right, I wanted to trade this, but I missed it. I was like, all right, I'm going to get ready to trade this, and then something happened, and then I came back. I'm like, oh, crap, I missed it. CODX. CODX. I had a good day today. And where I was looking at, let me see, because I was looking at this, yeah, one day, 1 minute chart. And this is where I wanted it. It was up in here. It's coming back down. I was like, oh, I'm going to get it at this support level here. By the time I saw it, it was up here. So, and then this never pulled back down to where I wanted it. So, and then it just left without me. I was just about to make it. Just about to put it in a limit order and start ripping. But yeah, see what we're looking at the bigger picture on CODX. CT today went up, basically just almost hit. All these coronavirus stocks, they all run together though. We all know that. Let's see here. Yeah. I'm just gonna have this on my radar. I pretty much have all these Corona, stocks on my radar every day, even if I don't have an alert. But I don't know. I don't want to trade this right now. Another one. What was I trading today? Let me see. Go back here. See, I traded INO today. Actually, maybe I'm completely confused about what I was talking about because all these stocks look the same. They all look the freaking same. The same chart setups. Yeah, so I traded this today. I think I got shook out of it. So it looks like I broke. I was playing for the break of, see, it was $8. So I was looking for the break of 8 right around here. Broke it, and I should have sold right here because I have the resistance line, but I was like, it's going to break it, and it never did. So okay. I also traded BKYI. I traded this today as well. BKYI. This thing just broke out. I definitely missed this trade. I do remember this one. This is hopping on this support right here. I'm like, oh, I'm going to get in on it. Because right around the same time everything else, and it just started going, and it never came back. Once again, it never came back to the support level that I wanted to, and just started ripping. But I did play this right here on the pullback for it to fall back into the support level right here. I did play that for a little bit of this, but I ended up selling down in here, so I didn't retrieve everything that I should have. Mysterio, I don't understand your language. That's probably why you're Mysterio. All right, so I got some alerts set for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. The last time I set alerts, like I had 3 stocks that I set alerts for, and pretty much they all went off at the same time because these coronavirus stocks, they all do pretty much the same thing. So they all went off at basically the same time. So we'll see what happens tomorrow if all these ones that I set these alerts for will go off. All right, but that's about all the stocks I'm going to look at for, I think, tonight. See, it's 6:08, so I got to start getting ready for dinner. Let's see here. All right, so let's make some money out there, guys.